doubt many people my age truly know what they believe in. That is a luxury reserved for those people with their lives mostly figured out, and as a rule, teenagers tend not to have that luxury. But for me, no. Also, there's no wrong answer, no way to know you're choosing the correct theology, and that scares me. But for me at least, the existence of any all-knowing God is improbable. A being that, if you live up to its seemingly impossible standards, rewards you with access to a place that no one living has seen. It doesn't make sense to me, practically speaking. But also, I refuse to believe that there's nothing after. That a person ceases to exist when their heart stops beating. A living, breathing person full of life and education and love can't just stop. So this leaves me with the frustratingly, annoyingly, deceptively simple question: is there anything after? Or is it like an endless, dreamless sleep? There's really no way to know. The brain still functions even in deep sleep, so we just have no idea. So I choose to grasp at these few straws I've been given, praying that if there is a God, it's enough to look at these things and try and amalgamate an answer. So, to summarize, I don't believe in a God, but I also don't believe in nothing. I believe in a great big something, and that something begins with a capital S.